We are pleased to show you the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, heated steering wheel, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.